I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, still kingdom come.
Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are ready. We're going to go 2 for 2 today, baby. Chris is even back here. He's not going to miss today. How are you feeling, bro?
Okay, Chad, I told Keeks yesterday. There's difficulty in trading off your phone, watching the stream, and jumping off the stream. By the time I opened my MetaTrader, that cracker was almost 70% to TP. So, yeah, so difficult. I feel you guys if you've got one device that you're trading off and you need to watch the stream. But I'm feeling good. Good to be, as always, we live for these streams. So,
hey, there we go. All right, guys. So as you can see, you got both the G's here today. So today, it's no 1 R's, it's 2 R's today. We need that double RR. But before we get into it, guys, I think, Chris, you're going to open us up with prayer, brother.
I will. Chad, as always, don't pray because we want to. We pray because we need to. So, Father, we just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for another session that we can trade with the members. I pray that you will keep us safe. I pray that you will give us wisdom, insight. And I just pray that you will meet each and every member that's watching in the chat, hearing our voice wherever they are, Father. I just pray that you will protect them, guide them, and then also keep them safe. And we just want to thank you, and we want to bring you honor and glory. And that is what we're going to try and do here by giving our best and giving our best to the community. And we pray and we ask this not because we deserve it, because we don't really, but just purely because of your grace and your mercies that are new every single day. We pray this and we ask this in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen.
Amen. There you guys have it, Chad. We are locked in for greatness. So before then, guys, we can jump right into the charts. We're always going to look at the little fundamentals first. But as we can see, not really much happening here today, guys. CNY, Euro, Canadian. But if you guys trade the Canadian dollar, but I mean, really not for me. But otherwise, you got USD member Bostic speaks and bar tonight. So again, nothing really going to bother us. This end of the day is going to do much. But yeah, nothing too much we should be worried about for today. So heading over to the charts. Let's see what we have in store for us, guys. So again, we are very much still bearish on the dollar. We hit at that target of 101.550 yesterday. Being tested today, held as resistance, so very, very beautiful here for us. 2 things for me today, guys. Obviously, we've got our next key area at 100.900, quite a far way down. It would be a bit of a big move if we got there by the end of today, so maybe by the end of Wednesday if we continue. I think what's realistic for us today is, honestly, if we can break under that weekly S2, so definitely going for the test there, either see price bounce off of that for potential little short pullbacks. Otherwise, we were going to see this break, then have the retest and the continuation going into Wednesday. So, but that definitely becoming our first target for today. On the 4 hour, we can see again, if you guys have been around a lot, we always talk to you guys about a lot of people always thinking these doji candles mean reversals, which to a point they do. But again, you need to understand higher time frame and what that means on the market. So again, probability is showing us there's a lot of momentum coming down, and there's a better chance of this falling than reversing. So again, holding pullbacks, retest that we talk about, then continuing lower. So again, I hope you don't get caught on a fake out over there. On the 15, we spoke about this morning, having your Asia lows, Asia highs, back at Asia lows. We just needed to hold under the previous daily low, which we can see that did perfectly for the break, and there comes your continuation. So the weekly S2, as we spoke about, definitely on the cards for me. Going over to the indices, NASDAQ. Again, guys, I'm not going to say anything. My members, guys that have known the EQ strat, we're going to do a bit of a deep dive into it in the coming weeks in Project G again. But this weekend we're actually doing we're going to be doing a nice dive into it, because I think a lot of you guys are missing out here. Absolutely banger trade today, and I don't think you guys are going to stop. Remember, TP, first TP is going to be around with this daily pivot. Second, I'd rather say the monthly pivot, because there's a major level we broke away from without a retest. So this becomes a very nice TP, the monthly pivot, EQ, and we got the 200 there. So very, very nice for us. So if you guys listen to me, I hope you guys made the most of it. Then going over to US 30, again, almost a similar move. Again, literally couldn't have said any better. You guys are still smiling on your way to TP. Yeah. So as much as we are still bullish, again, we always talk about this. You want potential pullbacks, because how many days, guys? How many bullish days in a row can you have? So again, we can have a potential pullback, something maybe just like this over here. If you look to the left, a little pullback in the range before the big continuation further up. So we could get a type of pullback down again yesterday, not really having anything major. So we can see the daily pivot EQ quite far down. We had a very, very explosive day yesterday. So having a nice pullback would be a bit nice for us, as we talk about that manipulation move before the distribution. So again, looking at that over there, as much as I am bullish, I don't know why my trading view is frozen. There we go. As much as we are seeing the lows here, and I said I am bullish, this for me is our fake out. We want to see that manipulation move. So I'm going to look for the shorts, as I said, same as NASDAQ almost, before we continue bullish after that. So we are bullish, but we just want to be alert. If we start breaking above, taking those Asia highs, and we are going, 100% I can move with that. But we're just going to see what we get there. Then lastly, with gold, we spoke to you guys this morning about it, saying how we are neutral purely because there were two things. We're going to have a big buy or a big sell today. Again, testing that psychological 2500 level. So you can see the big pullback, the test of it, and then the big move to the top side coming up for us. Again, Chris catching a lot of that move. So very, very well done to the guys this morning. But what we want to pay attention to is this monthly R1. That was a target for us, and this thing absolutely running. Now we are at all-time highs, guys, so you need to keep that one in mind. We don't want to fade the move, but we do want to take note that the previous 4 hour, no bottom wick. And again, monthly R1 broken, no retest. So I would like to see a pullback again for that short before continuing bullish. We're already at the daily R2, so there's your typical daily R1 to R2. So I'm not going to say that it's going to do a massive sell-off now, but as I said, at least to the monthly R1, I would like that before seeing any more bullish momentum. But again, it is a bit uncomfortable buying here. If you had to try and get in here, personally, I wouldn't look for a buy. I feel the buys have already happened. I always talk about that having one solid move for the day. This was the move. That was the buy. If anything, you've got more probability to catch a better RR trade as a sell. That's why we're going to look for the sells. We have our confluencies. But I'd necessarily, as much as I'm bullish, I don't think there's a safe area for us to get in with buys now for continuations. Because again, we're all-time highs. We don't know how much price can move before it tries to have a bit of a pullback. And we don't want to get caught in that. So that is everything from my side. Over to you, Chris.
Alrighty, Keeks, thanks so much, man. Chad, yeah, beautiful. Nothing much, as Keegan mentioned. Fed's Bostic, that's not the Bostic. I'm thinking back in my mind, I don't know who of you guys did it. You put some Bostic here and you made it up like your hand was stitched. It's weird. If you don't know that, yeah, then you haven't lived. But anyway, coming back to Fed futures, we're still sitting at 76%. So market is pretty much parked here. So September rate cut definitely on deck. It's not even a question. I don't even see a surprise there. Dollar index this morning, as mentioned, that 200 EMA, that weekly S1 Asia highs, that level there. That was the zone we talked about. Nice rejections there, also breaking down. Daily S1 on its way to the weekly S2. Previous daily low, guys, beautiful. As we always say, the previous daily low, previous daily high, also a level of resistance. And as you can see there, beautiful resistance. DXY trading on the low of the week. Very interesting. US 30, a little bit of an interesting one. I know Keegan was mentioning this morning when we talked about it. I don't know, guys. I don't know if you catch the hints that we give. But specifically the Project G members, we spoke about it. Look how far we are away from the EQ. And if you guys took some notes, there were some opportunities there for you. Previous daily high, Asia highs back to Asia lows. These are all in the Discord. If you have not done so, go !Discord under the education section. We talk about this in our trading plan. Very likely, if we've taken Asia highs, we come back in the range. Very likely we're going to Asia lows. So going into the session, a little bit of a weird one for me. You guys know I'm bullish, but I've also talked about that potential pullback happening. We saw the Hang Seng closing down 0.67% on the day this morning, but very simple for me. I would love for US 30 to trade above this 200 if we're going to go bullish. Otherwise, if we reject that 200, we are very likely going lower. Check out it yesterday, that 200 EMA as well later in the afternoon. Look how that was the springboard for price to push higher, and we moved away. So the 200 EMA on the 5 is just an absolute warrior, and if we can't get through it, you better believe we are going lower. All right, chat. So that is the zone I'm monitoring there. NASDAQ, again, we spoke about it this morning, Chad. We said, I told you guys I'm a little bit nervous for NASDAQ. Almost 9 days of bullish price action. 1 or 2 down days are really not going to hurt the move we've made to the upside. Even coming back to this previous weekly high wouldn't even be a bad thing. Believe it or not, we're still super bullish. We need to take a breather at some stage, and very clean for me as well, NASDAQ. Very, very simple here is the Asia lows, that 200 as well. Clean. Previous daily high failed to hold. As you can see, they failing to hold. A little bit of a topsy-turvy bit of price action there, then finally breaking lower. So Asia lows, beautiful, very, very simple, clean price action, Chad. This is beautiful price action that we've got here today. Gold, obviously, Chad, we spoke about it in Project G as well. Somebody asking me, and maybe it's a good time now to actually talk about it, saying that, Chris, on the 4 hour, we rejected the daily pivot. Should I not have considered that? Absolutely not. When we trade the 4 hour time frame, the only things we consider is the weekly pivot, the weekly S1, and the weekly R1. All right. All of the other daily levels do not matter when we trade the 4 hour. This was a nice trade that had the potential to come back in the range, pull back, give us a bit of a breather, and then push to the upside. Not the case though. Didn't get the shorts. Went a little bit against my my own weekly bias. I was drilling the guys on Sunday night, and I said, please do not short gold. Don't even short the pullbacks. And yeah, I was this morning shorting the pullbacks. Luckily for us, the scalp we had this morning, around about it was this level. Yeah, beautiful. Saved the day for us to some extent. Just dampening it, going from a potential minus 1.7% loss to a minus 0.3, which is acceptable. Nothing I would have done differently. Beautiful trade we took here this morning, quick in and out. I don't know who held it. I didn't hold it. I was out here just to stop some of that bleeding on that shorts we had. And going into the session now, like Egan said, it's very tough at this stage for me to even try and consider longs. All-time highs, at what stage do we start pulling back? Again, I'm not going to try and short, guys, even though the shorts look good. I think Egan himself would agree with me that we would rather sit and wait and see the pullback happen, and rather try and get in on a buy maybe tomorrow. Or, yeah, Chad, I don't know. You're going to have coconuts of steel and leather and magnesium, titanium, everything combined to short into a gold market that is at all-time highs. But Chad, that is my quick rapid-fire analysis for gold.
Right, Chris, have a look at the T2, bro. It is impossible. I cannot tell you what that is. I cannot. That thing is literally opened and closed on the exact same thing. That is just a line. I can't tell you what the hell that is.
That is nothing.
I'm going to look on a different chart quickly to see if it gives us something better.
Oh.
So on Oanda, it gives us a sell.
Really?
And I actually like the sell.
On FTMO, it's a sell as well.
I'm going to take it because you know I'm going to say that.
Okay. No, I agree with you.
You know what
so,
we're going to
yeah,
wait for, yeah. So I must say, okay, guys, it's a very tricky one here today, but I am going to take the sell. Obviously, we are, as we said, on the analysis, breaking it down as a sell, but that's what we're going to be going for. I just saw this question, and I just want to ask this, guys. So, getting asked here, where did it go now? Am I there? How much money you Oaks lose in pre-market?
No, I think it was referring to the Chad. I think it was referring to the Chad trading pre-market.
Because I was going to say, we literally haven't even entered, so...
No, I think it was
I'm
just
a bit
referring.
confused.
No, I don't think my coconuts got cut off 2 weeks ago. Laz, have you shot your 15 shots, my brother? That's that 15 shots you need to get through, so you've got some work to do.
Keegs, my and the US study shows a bar. Andre, remember we're doing the V2.
Yeah.
And
V2.
I know we are on V2.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how, because I don't know what
No,
you're
I looked at FTMO. It's a bearish candle.
Yeah, so Chris
It's a
has also
bearish
seen
candle,
it the
yeah.
same way I'm seeing it.
It's a bearish candle.
So we are in for the sells.
Keeks, quick one though. Quick one. Just looking at it. Are we actually looking for that? Are we gonna wait for the safer one?
So what I
Or are you gonna take the first break back into?
What I ideally would like, bro, is the move up
Yeah.
and then the sell.
No, but are we taking it the safer one? You know what I'm talking about. Up
The problem for me is
49.
it's the exact same situation as yesterday. So technically, you don't need to wait for the pullback. So if it just breaks a normal thing, we're going for it.
Because it was there.
It did it twice, and it did the pullback already. You see what I'm saying? So yeah,
I
for me,
I feel you. So we literally.
I think we're literally getting the pullback for the day.
So we're selling, but so once we break that, wait. Okay, I feel you.
Yeah, can you send your WhatsApp pic? I'm gonna look at it now for you, Andre.
Chad, I just want to say, I don't know who was in the chat. Give me a 1 who was in the chat when I said I'm going all in on Merafi.
So Andre, I think your settings are just different there, because literally, if you just think of that candle anatomy, if the candle before that, you gapped down, the candle is closed bearish. If you think candle anatomy, where that candle would have opened to where it would have closed, it can't be bullish. So technically, it's that glitch type of thing. The setting you have to just change. But that is a bearish candle. You can't tell me the candle closed below the previous candle and it's a bullish candle. You get what I'm saying?
Chad, okay, give me a 1 if you were on the stream that day when I told you guys I am going all in on Merafi Resources Limited. Remember, I sold all my other local stocks and I went full port on Merafi. So Merafi is now up 20%, Chad. I'm just putting it out there. %. Beautiful. This little portfolio is coming back into single digits now. My long-term portfolio, local JSE portfolio now only down 8%. At one stage, that thing was down 30%, chat, during, I think, close to the end of last year. So,
yeah, it's a bullish candle, but yeah, no, probably. Bro, quick one. There's nothing we can do, hey? So there's a problem now, and this is the reason I'm going to ask it on the stream is for guys potentially can help other people that have the same issue. If their payments, they want to sign up for Project G, their payments keep bouncing. They can't do the bank transfer, and they can't use Paystack or anything because it's an international thing. But their bank in their area, Nigeria, is blocking ZAR payments. We can't do anything about that.
We can't do anything. Sorry,
They have to settle with the bank, with their bank.
Yeah, we don't have crypto payments. The gas fees are just way too high. Sorry, my brother. That is.
Yeah. Like we have international people on Project G, so again, it's something with your bank. You might have to do a setting, do something, get it past them, but we can't do anything about that.
Joash, is it? I don't know, dude. No, I don't. Darren's not, from what I know, Darren's not with Rocket X anymore.
Oh, they're still not willing to take the Funder challenge, bro. That was a year ago.
Yeah.
They're not taking that.
Chris, did you see Sassel made a 44 billion loss? Dude.
Yeah, I saw they made a post about that.
Dude, 44 billion. That is, yeah, yo.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yo.
All right, 6 minutes.
There's a hole somewhere there. There's a hole in that bank account, those accounting sheets. They need to put a plug in it. Right. Dude, I would love if the next 7 minutes just ramps to the upside. Just push up.
It would be beautiful. It would be beautiful.
Get into that zone and then go all the way up.
Even when I look at it.
Yeah, it can still do it.
If I'm correct, the area we're looking for is literally Asia highs. It is.
Oh, you're going to wait so far, though?
No. I'm just saying where the area is literally just below Asia highs.
Yeah. You're right.
Because it's 49.08.
Just Suanelo. Afternoon. Good afternoon, my brother. Hey. Good afternoon. Did I miss anything in the chat? If I missed you, please just resend it here at the bottom. Otherwise, I'll just stay behind on the chat. Just want to keep it consistent. Keep it consistent, yeah. Possible continuation buy on gold. Yes, dude. It's just gold feels very and I spoke about it on the weekend. Like it's gonna feel uncomfortable, and it can just grind. It can grind for days without a pullback. And you can just literally just watch it grind, or you can say, listen, I'm willing to take a punt at it. But for me personally, the way that we've traded since 20 past 11, that is some of the ugliest price action I've seen. Yeah, this is uglier than some of the moves you guys have pulled on rugby tours.
Good afternoon, gents. I hope you're having a good afternoon. Chris and Keeks to another banger. Exactly, bro. Marius, have you invested into pharma companies? Just wondering because I work with all of them and the profits they make is crazy.
Driscus, ek mis jou elke dag, my vriend. Ons warriors in hier op die chat is nie. Driscus, Duplessis,
Let's
Gal.
buy USD at market open. Ooh, yo, Leonard. We go in the opposite direction, my choma.
Have you ever invested into pharma companies? No. The profit margins are crazy. The only thing with pharma companies, I have Abivai, I have and J&J, but the issue with a lot of these pharmacy companies is headline risks. For instance, if there's FDA approvals, they need to get J&J obviously took a knock. I don't even want to say the word. You'll get shadow banned, but there's a lot of headline risk in terms of approvals and like compliance stuff. Hey, Keeks, now it's doing what we don't want it. Okay, but it's luckily now in a, yeah.
Just
Okay.
let's see, bro. Maybe it gives us that push up. We're gonna see.
Now I've got to pee again. I think I figured out the firecracker strat. Beautiful, Jakes. That's what we want. We want
just
you to
watching the
figure it.
streams.
You don't even have to figure it out. We give it to you every single day when we enter it. So, okay, Keeks, let me go pee. There's 2 minutes. Let me go pee.
P for TP. Jakes, here's my question. Is it simple or is it complicated? As a trader, is it simple or is it complicated? 30 pip TP today. Kind of depends when we're gonna enter, bro. It just depends where we enter in. If we enter in close to where we are now, good chance it's gonna be 30 pips. Yeah, it just depends when and where we enter. To be honest, it's simple to me. So that is the thing, Jax. It is simple, and that's what I was asking. So if you like at least have a good understanding of trading, it should be simple. Posting to the PK humble meme today, Keeks. To the PK humble meme. What's the PK humble meme, bro? Now I'm like, what the hell's that? Are we looking for a buy? We're actually looking for sales, bro. I'm just looking for the candle you guys are talking about. And I've just been seeing it only on the streams, and I've realized why you guys do the service and entry at open. Alright, Jax. Jax, you Cape Town, eh? If so, when we have the event next month, I hope you're gonna be there. Then you can tell us about it, and we'll see if you've got it figured. I'm figuring this strat out too. It seems fairly simple, but there's a magic touch you guys have that I'm not quite getting. Will Vol Funder have a big discount anytime soon? You can have to ask the big man there.
Yeah. That was good.
Well, the balance is up. PK Humble. All right.
What's that?
Cape Town Brew. Yes, sir. All right, Jakes. Then we hope to see you there, bro. Guys, round 4. Markets are open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Whoa. Whoa.
That's what we wanted to see, baby.
Yo.
That's what we wanted to see.
Okay. Jeez Louise.
Bro, that's what we wanted. That is what we wanted. To be fair, this might be trouble for us.
We have to execute if it closes above range now.
Yeah.
We have to execute if it... What are we doing, young man? Yo, whoa.
Bro, this is yeah. Okay, to be fair,
Okay,
I like
this
where
is
it is.
your-
I really like that, bro.
Just hold. This could be quick
Yo,
or...
bro, this feels uncomfortable now. This feels uncomfortable.
10 seconds, Chad. Get ready.
Okay, guys, we are looking for sells. Hey, just keep that in mind. We are looking for sells.
Yo, what is happening here, my dude? Okay, I'm in.
I'm in.
I might look to add.
Oh, you had a chat. Hold on. I need to just. Wait it.
Oh, you're not in yet?
I am in, but I'm just trying to get it on the
Okay.
bloody chart on the screen.
Okay.
This might be painful. To be fair, we can even go 30 pip for me because personally that's Asia highs, but
How do you mean?
60.
How do you mean 30 pips?
I like the 60 though, guys. I like the 60 today.
Yeah, I'm gonna add. I've got a sell limit added there.
I like the sales today.
Let's take 40.
Come on, baby.
$48, 146. Okay.
I like this, bro. I like this. I like this, Chad.
All
Come
right.
on. Chad, I'm not even gonna lie, because of where price is, I'm gonna take the 30 pip.
Are you taking the 30 pip?
Because of where price is.
Really?
I'm
I
taking it.
check,
I'm
I
taking
check.
it. All right, Chad. Come on.
Okay,
Come on, baby.
I'm gonna go just break even then.
Come on.
Let me just go break even then, Keeks. Okay, I've gone break even. Oh, am I gonna cry today? Because I didn't take my profits. Stay there. Go low, go low.
Oh, yeah, wise.
Go low for us. Go low, go low, go low.
Come on.
Go low, baby.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Yes, dude. Come on, just punch that TP.
Come
for
on,
me.
Chad. Come on. We want teleportation, yeah.
Punch that TP.
Teleportation.
Punch that
Chad,
TP.
I'm break even.
I thought you took 30.
No, I went to a 30 stop, but I'm only break even now.
Oh, okay. Okay. Just
Come
punch
on.
that TP
Come
in the
on.
head. Can we just get US 30 to punch that TP in the
Teleport,
face?
baby. Teleport.
In the face. Hit it.
Just go for it.
Go now. Do it. Do it for us. For the people.
For the people. Come on.
That's the thing. If you do it for the people, it will go. Go.
For the community.
Go. I manually closed. Bro, I closed.
Fine.
closed.
I'm going to close as well, bro.
closed, man.
You're putting me under pressure here, bro.
No. I told you
You
guys.
put me under pressure.
Chad, remember, even if that
Okay,
thing.
I closed on that candle closure, bro. That's...
Chad, wait a minute.
Hey, Chad, I'll take that, baby. I'll take that. 52 pips.
Chad, listen
52 pips. 80% of the move.
Listen, Chad. Here's the thing. Sorry, Kicks, I'm just gonna throw on my screen. Chad, I learned my lesson. Our TP was literally there. I told you guys I'm never ever putting it to chance unless it just slices through there, and it still can. I'm not.
Come on.
I'm
I think
not-
there's TP.
Yeah, there's
TP.
TP. There's full TP. Beautiful.
There's full
Okay.
TP. Chad, you know what's coming. The
Wait, let me
influenza things.
Let me just put it back on your screen. Wait.
You guys know what's
Ah!
coming.
Come on, baby.
Chad,
Let's go, man.
we nasty with it. All right.
Messi.
Chad, you know what it's about. Going 2 for 2. We are cooking this week, baby. Nice 52 pips up on US 30. Again, all taken. There's the trade. There you can see the results. There it lines up, all with our members. Guys, send a W if you took that trade with us. Again, all there, all in person with everyone. There it is, Chad. Look at that, baby. The W's loading. 255 people. As always, easy as you like. If you're not trading with us, guys, what are you doing?
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
Chad, come on, baby. There we go. Woo! Where was the full TP there? All
Dude,
right.
these streams are going to be like 20 minutes every day. Just come in here, boom,
On
boom,
that
in, out.
Channel closure. I'm not gonna lie. There was
Easy as you like it. How do I like my easy on a cook sister? Incredible. Incredible.
easy, Chad.
Yeah.
Easy as you like.
Mad.
Come on, baby.
Madness.
Woo! 2% gain. Come on. There we go. The W's in the chat. I'm still holding, bro. 100%. Remember we said the pullback for the daily pivot EQ definitely on, but we are not going to get greedy. We're busy with another big account challenge. Yeah, the account now basically 4% up. So looking good. Looking good. No complaints here. So we absolutely killing it today, guys. I'll take that one. I'm very, very happy with that. Oaks, I need to find this damn Checks the trader stream W. The O's made US 30 tap. GG James, great call. No content Bicky Kakparad. Hey, there we go, Etty. The W's. Hope. Starting the week strong, guys. 2 for 2. Some banger trades. And it's only Tuesday. And you guys ate this morning with gold. There we go, guys. Let's see. Live in the chat. Like gents, well done. Should have held. Peter, you know what? It's one of those things. No. Why are you all watching me? Yes. I feel that was faked already.
It wasn't a fake sip. It's fine. I drank it. I promise you.
Guys, you know there's a problem when they both have to come in here to give me my coffee.
I promise you it's fine. Look, I took a sip.
No, but you can fake it because you already know what's coming.
It's got normal milk in it. So that's the only thing, but it's really fine.
Hey. Alright, Chad, there comes the daily pivot. If you guys are still holding, that is beautiful. As I said, guys, not going to get greedy. It's literally Tuesday. Now we've got a bit of a nice cushion. So going into the rest of the week, we can try to take the bigger trades. That's how we like to do it. You got the cushion, as you say, 4% up now. So looking good now for the week. Let's see who's still holding salt in the coffee. The salt and sugar. There we go. I did the trade, got the W. My one confluency is Chris indicator P to TP. Well done, Jen. Solid trade. Keegs on a rampage. Hey, appreciate it, lads. We are cooking up a storm here, baby. We cooking, Chad. We cooking. We just got to get the rhythm going, yeah. So these other Furies are gonna feel the heat when we come to Cape Town. Still holding, guys. Marissa, I'm not gonna lie, as you said, that is a daily pivot that I would watch a bit for. That is the pullback, so just be a bit careful on that one. But beautiful trade, guys. Absolutely killed. US 30 put on a stretcher.
Okay. Did they put salt in our coffee again?
No, I thought they did, but they didn't.
Okay. Okay, Rory-san, let me just put it here. If you always hold and you don't have a target, there's fine if you've got an extended target, but don't be that guy that leaves the pips on the table, because we know we're trading at a certain level where we can literally push all the way back up past the previous daily high. So please don't be that guy. Okay.
Hold on, Ryan. Wait. That's impossible. Remember, it's always going to be the same. So for me, that is impossible. How is...
It's not 5 pips.
It's not. I think you're just reading it as 5 pips. But it will be the same amount.
No, guys, like we say, don't be greedy. The trade, there's a reason we take 60 points. There's a reason.
I mean, as I say, guys, daily pivots. I told you guys the daily pivot.
Yeah.
Look at that tap, and right back at Asia lows.
So if you left all of that is quick, easy. That is low hanging fruit, guys. There, low hanging fruit. In,
It's on my
out.
screen there, bro.
No, I'll put it on my screen quickly.
Is mine delayed?
In, out. So if you were greedy, you can still go and take the lows, but low hanging fruit, in and out. All right. So the fruits that hang low. You coming to Cape Town only for the members? Yes, for the members. Only for the members. We are coming for the members. Peter Murray, she mixed up the salt and the sugar.
Wait, which members are we talking about there?
Project G members. Wait, what Cape Town trip are you talking about?
The one now, next month.
Yeah, but that's for Project G members.
Are we doing only Project G?
Oh no, sorry, Chad. Not only subscribe, you guys. It's for everyone.
It's our
yeah, sorry.
community. It's just 2 Gs.
Yeah,
in
sorry,
general.
man. I always think Prodigy. No, it's for you guys. Yeah.
It's
in the
anyone
chat.
that wants to be in the 2Gs family.
Yeah, we'll. I think closer to the time we're actually going to put out a
We'll
Google
have more,
form.
yeah. I think we'll have more exclusive events, like maybe dinners and that type of stuff
Yeah.
with the Project G guys. But these events are going to be just for the community.
For you guys. So I think it's going to be you're going to have to RSVP on a form that will only be shared during the stream. So we know, for instance, it's guys that are on the stream.
All right, let's get these influenza things up.
Some of us are not scalpers. Okay, no, that's fine, brother. Like I said, as long as you have a plan, because the majority of guys will hold on and try and swing that trade into perpetuity. And that's all I'm saying. So if you've got a plan, great, brother, then that's awesome. I'm just saying in our case, that is what we wanted. So, yes, Prince Mafu, I think Ryan is mistaken because on Vault Funder, the contract size is 1. So if you went with one lot, that is equal to 0.01 on a retail Vault Markets account. When do you guys think gold is? Bryce, I don't think it's really going to drop. We in a bull market. I think any dips are to be bought. So you don't just reverse from a multi-year breakout. So because it's at its exactly, that's why it's not going to drop. There's nothing left to the left. There's no resistance being formed. If you look at the weekly, zoom out on the weekly and then look left. Where's the resistance? There's none. That is why this thing can run and it can do whatever it wants to do. That's why if you look left, there's nothing to look left to. So price is now going to need to establish a resistance. Once a resistance has been established, then we can pull back and then we can retarget the resistance level. But at this stage, this thing can just go up and up. There's nothing left. There's nothing on the left-hand side. Are you guys in Cape Town? No, we in GQ or CQ. I'm not 100% sure. You think NAS will fall from Asia lows? Jex, NAS. Let's have a look at NAS for Jex quickly. No, Jex, remember I said there's 2 zones we need to monitor for NASDAQ. This is the first zone, and then that is the second zone. So whatever's going to happen here at the previous daily high, if we start breaking that and we start holding it, then that becomes a support. All right. I'm thinking it's very likely we've got a range day. I think we're going to just slug it out here in this little box. Because we've taken Asia highs, we've taken Asia lows, we're back in the range. So I think it's going to be a range day. I don't think it's going to be a massive day, to be honest. So that is what I'm thinking on NAS. US 30, they're back at that 200, and yeah, same here. I think it's going to be a flat day. I think we did really well catching that little top there. A little top and drop. Lottery, I hope you're well, my brother. Have you guys looked at synthetics before index commodity? No. Synthetics, no. I'll rather do sports betting before I trade synthetics.
Influencer things.
Yeah, Ryan. So remember, the lot sizes is basically the contract size on Vault Fund is 1-to-1. Chris Keegs, no money on Drickus. No, Keegan made a nice bag. Keegan made 13k on Drickus. I would have made 16k. I had it on Drickus for third round. Drickus winning by a finish in the third round. Unfortunately went to the fourth, but no, had money on him. But yeah, I didn't do just a straight win or lose. The odds were 1.87 for both sides, so you can rather just take 1,000 rand and full port the US 30 trade. What do you think about the PPV payout? Pay-per-view. What payout? What Drickus got? I don't know if you can give me some context on it. How much did Drickus get? I don't really think about Silver. I don't think Silver is a bad guy. Silver, I don't know, kidding. $1.5 million hairs. Damn. Easy 3.5. Okay, to be
It's
to
easy
be
considering
fair,
what they do pay the guys,
Yeah,
especially the champion, the title fights, and the thing is, it was a big fight, Izzy versus Drickus. It was a big
Izzy.
fight.
Guys, remember, Izzy is still the guy that was on top for the longest. He's the guy that had the most title defenses, all of that. So Drickus now solidifies himself now as the money fight. So I can promise you that the next title defense, Drickus is setting himself up for life. Like, he is the one that's going to be pulling the shots. He's going to be the one that's going to be dictating it. So as much as he was champion going into this, I think a lot of guys were still feeling 50-50 about the Strickland fight. So this now just like Drickus put him there. He's that guy now. Because I have different. Chad, I just want to know. Who are these guys? I just want to know who are these guys here, Keeks. The Pippers and Dippers. We peaked at
Once
270.
the TP's done, bro.
And literally 60 guys just left. They were like, cheers, thank you, got my money. Peace and love. See you guys a little bit later. Almost 90 people just pipping and dipping. Can't even just say, hey boys, like just chat with us a little bit. Yeah, I know, pip and dip, chip and dip. The boys are just here for their daily pip, and they gone. Yeah, man, hang out. There's
Sorry guys, I'm gonna be there now. I'm literally we're doing the influencer things.
Pipers. Hey man, the guys just come in piping hot, salivating over a trade. Daily pip and dip. They dip to go show blue screens to their signal groups. Yeah, I wonder if some of them have started sharing what we do here for the signals groups.
100%.
I think we'll get some info very shortly. Then for the guys that commented on the Instagram post, I shot the video today. That video will hopefully go in tonight. Then that will be sent to everyone that commented news trading strat.
Has landed into the account. The balance is up now. It's uptown.
Wait.
Ending transaction.
The transaction has landed into the account. The balance is up now. It's uptown.
Ah, cool, beautiful, brother, beautiful.
Chad.
Alright.
Bro,
The
you
balance
know it's a
is
good
up
week
now.
when you can post
How much is the balance?
your profits, and the profits from yesterday are still
Still in
even
your
there.
story. Is it still there? Sheesh. James, apologies from my side. I'm not training today. Just gone missed the stream, so I'm in and out. The nuggets I get in the streams is next level, but I need to go to P now. Eugene, perfect, my brother. It's always solid having you guys here. I don't want to say unfortunately we got the trade and we're out, but that is the weird thing. That is the ideal situation. But now this Chad, Keegs, this is where the boys get themselves into trouble.
Yeah, because now they're like, they still want to trade.
You feel like that wasn't enough for you. This is now where you rolled up. It's that your wife phoned you 2 hours ago. The boys said one more drink, and you're now at your fourth drink. And your wife, you've put your phone now on silent, and this is where the trouble starts.
Yeah.
Once you go phone silent, and it's like, I'll deal with that later. Chad, this is where the trouble begins. This is had a quick connection problem, but today was a winner for the Chad. Andre, moet my asseblief nie sê jy het nie een van die twee crackers gevang hierdie week nie. Asseblief, Andre. Moet my nie sê jy het altyd die crackers gemis hierdie week nie. Where can I see the details for the Cape Town event? Quibus, very shortly, we still need to finalize everything.
Probably before the end of the week, guys.
Yeah.
Chris and myself are going to be...
We already checked the
about
flights. We actually have a meeting on Thursday, me and Keegan. Yeah, for the first time, can you tell me a little bit more from where to start?
Project G.
Prakar Kapoor. Hey, brother, what is it that you want to do? What is it that you want to do? Deal now, cry later. NAS testing Asia has. What is it where you want to start? So go exclamation G.
So sorry, Dreezy. The PDF that's coming out is not for this, bro. It's not for this news strat. I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying, and I've mentioned it before. The T2, the firecracker, whatever you want to call it, it is literally, what it is testing. When the testing is done and I feel it's a strat, that is strictly going to be for Project G. I'm just saying.
Sheesh. En ek het swing gevat op goud vanoggend, maar 'n L gevat in plaas van daai 5 minute by. Hey, Andre, so it's tough for you. Yeah, Chad, I'm literally just back to break even on the week now. So this is just me back to break even. So a lot of trades, but nothing to show for it. $112 hairs. This is the day for me.
Dreezy, just check there. Nighbot literally posted there. Level up your trading with Project G. Sign up link there. So yeah, right there, my man. Call it the key gun strat.
The key gun, bro. I love that. I love that. The key gun. Damn, key gun.
Do you guys trade the news? If so, which ones? My brother, again, check out our socials. You can see
Who's
all
this
the press
Bryce?
conferences.
Chad, who's Bryce? I feel like you, dude.
Bryce is doing the tip and dip, bro. He wants to come and get all the
Bryce,
information
what?
and then dip.
Bryce, chat to me, brother. I feel like you. What is going on, dude? You're way too impatient.
And then 8. There we go.
What is Bryce? No, we love you, Bryce, but it's just I want to know you come in hot, very hot, my brother. Come in very, very hot. And then 8.
Puppers.
Thank you for mentioning. Sure, I'll have a look at IJ and I'll be joining your live to learn and invest more. Yes, brother. Bryce, be the feds. Yeah, I don't know, bro. The way some guys come in, like, very, very hot. It's like, do you trade news? When do you trade news? How do I trade news with you? What is the strat you trade? How many times per day do you trade? What is your lot size? What is your bank account? What is your income tax number? Can I have your cell phone number? Can I quickly call you?
Bro. Chad, I'm just saying, and again, I'm just saying.
No foreplay. Bend and send. Animals, bro. Animals.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Milan. Bend and send.
That was a good one. Guys, And we might have for me and Chris. I'm not saying we're going to have for the community, but the 2G's merch is being revived. It's being revived. What did you think of some of those, bro? I don't know how I felt about seeing my face on a shirt.
I actually know, dude. I think yours look dope.
It looks
your
dope.
tattoos,
Exactly, the tattoos.
No, I like
but
yours.
it is a bit weird.
No, I think it's dope.
But the rest of them were sick, bro.
Rose tonight playing now. Andre, we know these songs, my bro. NCS, like in your mind, you already know what. This playlist has carried us.
Bro, you could just learn the playlist and you'll know where we are in the stream.
Yeah, you know exactly, Chad. You know exactly where we are.
If heroes are playing, we're probably already out of our trade. We're talking cuck now.
A verse from Bryce, guys. Chill.
Where did you go?
I mean, you did the chat, bro. Easy, James. Easy. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's just sometimes we get guys that come in hot, and it's like
they machine gun us with questions.
Yeah, and it's like, dude, we here every day. Like if you've never been here, morning, afternoon, it's like clockwork. We stream on time. We here in the mornings 3-4 hours. Afternoon a little bit shorter. Obviously, just due to the time we start streaming. Jeez,
Bro, I'm just saying, Chad, these grey blocks work. These things are magical.
But what is that grey block though? Is that at a daily level?
4 hour. My block's always
4 hour block. Okay. Bend and send. Sure, I'm gonna tell my wife, baby, we're bending and sending, and then she'll be like, what are we sending?
Our trade demo is so nice. I ran into y'all.
Jeez, once again, thanks for the visit down. It was a pleasure. Ja, man. Was lekker geweest, Andre. Andre said he's inviting us to PTA now next.
Yeah.
Pretoria.
For lekker braai.
Bietjie dop en chop. Bietjie dop en chop. Ons gaan net dip en pip.
Hey, Andre, we can go there to die kantoor.
Adrian, believe it or not, dude, Epidemic is so scallum because you pay for your membership. As soon as your membership ends or you don't pay your monthly sub, all of your previous videos where you use their music gets flagged for copyright.
Yeah. So they kind of chalk you for everything you've been in the past.
So they basically lock you into forever pay that monthly sub, and it's not a lot. It's $9, but still. I've used Epidemic in the past. After 3-4 months, cancelled the sub. All of those videos, boom, flagged.
Internet literally cucked when you started talking, or is it just me? Which one, Andre? When I started talking, or Chris? Who know? I appreciate that.
I think when we started, he had a connection issue.
That makes sense.
Yeah, go !Discord chat. I think start there for the guys that are new, and I must get better at this because a lot of times we think it's the same 200-300 people every day, but there are different people. So join the Discord. I think that's a very good place to start.
Eugene, you do still journal it, bro. You still journal it.
Does that Discord link actually work? Let me just
I had to replace mine the other day because guys were mentioning on my Instagram when it had expired. That expiring thing irritates the hell out of me.
No,
bro.
I've changed it again. I've changed it.
Never meant. They all say lifetime, but they never lifetime.
Chad, please check if that Discord link is still working. If you would, if you're new here, please check it and let us know. On what do you guys journal your trades? We've got a bot. So we've got a bot here. Let me just show you maybe what it looks like. So we actually have a trade bot. So every single trade we take is journaled here. So every single trade is journaled in here. And then obviously we've got the so every trade we take, everything we do is literally here. So then also we've got the live streams. So that's something you guys don't necessarily have. But for instance, my trades I take, I can go and re-watch the stream.
Yeah, Lyndon, I do agree. I'm not going to necessarily say written, like specifically writing, but I do think there is a place for where you physically have to put it all in yourself, because it's a case of sitting there, taking the effort to put it in. You reading what you put in. You actually taking it in a lot more. So like my journey when I did the back testing for this T2, was basically an Excel spreadsheet. And I had to obviously load everything in there. So you really pay more attention to the data you're collecting.
Rian, a way that I like to journal, is that I like to basically, let me put it on my screen. I always I write out as much as possible. So for instance, trade idea. Then I would write why I wanted to take the trade, as much information as you want to put there. And then after the trade idea, I would basically block that out and I would leave it on the screen. And then I would have another section for entry criteria. How did I enter the trade? What was my entry criteria? Then I would say exactly it was an engulfing, it was a break of structure, whatever. And then right at the end, when I'm done with the trade, I will have my trade management. To go back and see why did I manage the trade I did the way I did. And then all of that, I think in the Discord, I stopped doing it. It just became I'm actually bad for not following it through. But where did I actually delete the stream trade journal? Oh yeah, the last time I did was in Feb. But basically, this is what it will look like. Let me just quickly do this. Is it on my screen though? Yeah. So trade idea, daily bias is bullish, AD is bullish, EMAs is bullish. Price trading above, below pivot, it was trading above the pivot. Entry criteria was bullish continuation, so the guys know what we look for the bullish continuation trades. Trade management moved stops to break even as we were at the session highs and the Asian highs. Expectation would be for price to move through the highs with volume. All right, so that the result was a break even because we didn't get any volume or follow through. Later on we did, but so that is how you want to give yourself, dude, you can even write the entire essay here. The thing with journaling is for you to go back and actually think what was going through your head at that time.
Please do comment. It would be like, oh, your keys Kantua is closed, but it scares me that you know that. Bro, is it closed?
What's that?
Yo. All right. Okay. Kantua.
Who's Kantoor?
It's I'm gonna say it's a restaurant in Pretoria, but it's called Die Kantoor.
Kantoor. Waar is jy? Ek's by die kantoor lê.
What do you guys say? Nice place this side. Andre, what's that other place, bro? Or anyone that's in Pretoria. I can't even remember it. Yo, we went there a long time ago, but it was so sick. It's basically a man-made beach, a beach club. Is that still open?
Shimmy's Beach.
No, in Pretoria.
Pretoria. Chad, I don't want to give too much, but now that you guys are talking about the trade journaling, but all in good time, I don't want to give too much, but I just want to show you guys something here.
Emperor East, yeah. I guess it was. I don't know. I just remember I was there, like when it first opened. I'm saying like 2018, 2019. I think that's when it opened. We went and it was actually a vibe. I haven't been there in a while. Need to see the gents before I leave SA. Hey, Farbs, when you leaving, bro? Because obviously I think next month is Cape Town, obviously our trip. And then the month after that would probably be Joburg. Joburg or Pretoria, but obviously the next month. So, yeah, December, bro, for good. Oh, damn, bro. Okay, no, but then you definitely will see us before then. We will have the Joburg trip as well before that.
I don't want to show too much here. Let me see if I can. Okay, Chad. Let me just. I'm just gonna keep
Awesome,
it
like a
keep
cheers, Andre.
keep it there on your screen. I wanna quickly chat. Chatadonia, baby. I wanna quickly do something here for you.
Jeremy, bro, I must say that is not like us, bro. But when we joked about it with mates the other day, we went for a sushi buffet with friends. Bro, we went for a sushi buffet. Keep in mind, there's like some men here, so not like the ladies, the men. We had like a decent amount. We sat there, we chilled, had some drinks, had sushi, all of this. By the time we still left, was quicker than what we got our food at the other place before we even got our food. Like, that's how long we waited, guys. So that's what I say, like, to get pushed to that limit, it was like really like
Chad, I don't want to give away too much, but there's been some workings in the back end. Just want you guys to quickly look at this when you guys talk about some trade journaling. But there's some stuff we're working on here, and then trading journal. All right, see there, similar to somebody saying about trade Zella. I don't want to give away too much here, Chad, but there's some stuff cooking here. But a little bit on that a little bit later. But yeah, just Chad, that's the thing. That's the thing with these other boys is they think we park. They think
because you go quiet.
Nah, they want to start live streaming. We already on the next thing.
Yeah, you guys are like 6 plans behind us, bro.
The boys are now starting to live stream, and we like, dude, we already. Anyways, Chad. But yeah, there's a little something cooking there. We'll in coming weeks and days, we will share a little bit more about that.
Yeah, bro. I don't know. You want to hang out a little bit longer still? But that is for me, bro. That's it.
With Keeks Chris, I've always wanted to ask: would you take more people onto your team? No.
Oh, okay, hold on. Depends what you mean by on the team. Like that I think we need to talk about that in the sense.
We can't give out too much.
No, that's what I'm saying. It's
Can't.
we keep in mind, as you say, guys, we are planning things way in advance. So it just
Yeah,
depends.
and yeah, nothing wrong with guys starting to stream and whatever. It's we're just joking. We always say there's not enough streamers, so I just laughed. I think you also saw Alex Volkanovski saying live stream starting soon or something. Did you see that a while back?
Yeah, so Laz, well, that's the thing, bro. Definitely the one thing, it will always be 2Gs. That's the thing. It will grow in other aspects, but the OGs are the OGs.
3Gs. Call in, yeah, Jeremy.
Is
By
Shaq
all
still
means.
part of the team? Shaq was never part of the team. He's
Yeah,
a friend. He's
Shaq.
a friend in that, but he was never part of the team.
Let me just put the it was no Shaq is an entity on his own.
Yeah.
Shaq is an entity on his own. I think Jeremy is in the chat here. Guys, wait, let me just bring the volume down a bit here.
What, in the Discord chat?
Yeah. Alright, who's this? Sheesh. Jeremy, we are in Discord. JV is also on his own. JV is also on his own. JV actually popped in today to say hello. But yeah, JV is on his own. Is Shaq still in Monk? I don't know in what mode he is now. I think we've gone into sports mode now, Keeks. Sports plus. Now I'm kidding, Chad. I'm kidding, man. Now I'm kidding. All love to Shaq. No, I'm kidding. But respect to those that know what they are doing and starting a stream. Hope we can all support the right people that deserve it, like you brothers. Dude, it's not even like we deserve anything. It's we honestly just out here every day trying to do our best for the community, and if it helps anyone, then beautiful. But if we ever get to the stage where we cannot help you guys anymore, but I think, Chad, there will always be help. Even when we make mistakes, you learn from our mistakes. When we win, you guys learn from our wins. So it's a win-win.
Good afternoon, brothers. What's happening? You guys good?
Hey, what's up, Jeremy?
Hey, Jeremy.
A blessed Monday to all of you guys, and a blessed Monday to the chat. I hope you guys are doing well.
Hey, you're right back at you, brother.
Chris, just in terms of the Cape Town trip, it would be nice if we could use your chat as a pulse check or a jot form, and just figure out what some of the young guys and the older guys, because I see there's some guys that's got a bit of mileage on them in a good way. Age is nothing but a number. And we sort of create an understanding of what type of people we can expect with our Cape Town conversation, just so that we can be prepared and avail ourselves to the things that we want to do. I assume that this is going to be the first meet and greet potentially for most of us. And you don't want to be the awkward lady sitting with a cup of coffee and not talking because you don't know what's going to happen. So from our side, we're excited. Chris, Cape Town is ready in storm. I see Bevan and
Did Jeremy cut out?
Yeah, I think it's cutting out. Yeah. Chad, while we wait for Jeremy, I think Jeremy wants to just more or less see the mix of age. But I think what we will do is, I think myself and Keegan will finalize the flights tomorrow. And then what we'll do is we'll do a Google form for the Cape Town. Okay, so Jeremy's back, guys. Okay, here we go. Jeremy, floor's yours, my brother. I wonder if Jeremy has not muted himself by accident. Chad, but what we will do is we'll do a Google form, and you guys can RSVP on the Google form.
Yeah.
And then we can just get the numbers more or less. We're going to get a nice neutral venue, not with a broker or anything. It's going to be a neutral venue.
It's a 2G's thing. So.
Yeah.
But guys, I'm just going to say we don't need bouncers and security, but I'm pretty sure Chris and myself, if anyone does want to start problems there, you will be thrown out. Like, it is purely there for guys to network and have a good time. So, like, we're not looking for any trouble there.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a good event. I think we're going to have some good meet and greets, putting good faces to the names. And I don't think we're going to do any awkward things. So, guys, I think we're going to just enjoy ourselves to the best of our abilities.
Yeah. I think, guys,
and Keegan and Chris is not allowed to share strats, so don't ask. We're not going to have a 2G special voucher give out for that day. Don't ask. As one of the Cape Town guys that is excited for this gigs, we are coming prepared to add value, and we look forward to sitting down and having a cup of coffee with you and Chris and understand what the team is about. Appreciate you, brothers, man. Cheers.
Hey, awesome,
Thanks, Jeremy.
No, I think, guys, honestly, I mean, Chris and myself have been talking about, we ourselves are very, very excited for it. Like, we stoked for the event. Again, as we always talk about, yes, we understand there's going to be trading, and we always talk about it because we understand, like, you guys are passionate about it the same way we are. So we understand there's going to be a lot of trading talk, but it's a way for us to talk a little bit more about just being traders, really getting to know each other, that there's still, as we say, there's a face behind the charts. see who's all who and what you guys are about. And because that's the thing, remember guys, that we always have, I've also said this, who you are off the charts will be shown on the charts.
Listen,
So-
I'm thinking now, we're going to get those stickers.
Yeah.
And on your sticker, you're going to have to put your YouTube name.
Hey,
So
that's
there's going to
dope.
be a Koki.
And when you come in the door,
yeah, so
that's
you
dope.
write and then you stick it. So when I see you the first time, like there's Jex or there's Bevan or there's Etty or whoever. Chris, will you send me the contact? You have to transfer. Fabio, it is Tax Consulting SA, my brother. Chat to them. Tax Consulting SA. They do all of the expatriate, financial immigrations, all of that. So the best would be they're just going to put you through the loops there. But Tax Consulting SA, chat to their expatriate division, tell them what you are busy doing, and they will help you with everything. Based in the business, Tax Consulting SA.
Don't judge me by my chart behaviors, Keys. I'll still think about who I'm going to be that day.
But I think that's definitely going to be a one.
Nah, I must say I'm keen to meet the Cape Town fam.
Chad, Cape Town, where do you guys think we should meet? Obviously, we don't want to break the bank, but a nice venue where we can sit down almost. Do you think we're going to need like a projector or something? I don't know, guys.
I think once we have our meeting, even on Thursday, I think we can chat a little bit about it. Because we can already do the tickets, we can do all that type of stuff. But I think after that, we can jump on a thing with Jeremy and we can really start chatting about, with that and maybe a few of the other guys,
Yes.
what exactly we want to happen at the event. And then we can see what we need to organize.
Chad, let me know just some ideas. What would you love to get out of an event like this? What does the ideal event look like for you guys? Somewhere, Mavericks, trouble. Rian, I can see Rian. Rian is a menace. Rian, you menace.
Canal walk maybe. I think Mark Christmas as well. We don't want to be doing like something like at a mall. Something like,
Conference room at a golf course. That would be like as well. That will be like a connection. Yeah, Chad. I was even thinking. Yes, dude. Just connecting, having us sit there, maybe having a chat. I'm even thinking maybe we should just have a mic, depending on how many people we are. And we're actually going to have some of the guys from the Chad just come up, share a little bit of your story. Because ultimately, an event like that is to meet and greet, and then also to share a little bit of the journey the last 12 to 13 months, because that is what ultimately is going to motivate, inspire. For instance, we've got a guy like Keenan, massive weight loss journey. I'm starting my one this week. And it's this case of that inspiring, like, dude, that inspires me. I'm honestly immediately thinking, shit, if Keenan can do it, I can do it.
bro, I've got it.
What?
2 G's. Go wine tasting.
Sheesh, the connection is the main thing for the first visit. Yeah, I agree. We can maybe we do a wine tasting. The only thing is then transportation.
You do the train.
The train.
Yeah, that goes to all the wine farms.
Your Chad, dude, I don't mind it. Look, I don't mind it. The big thing is
the wine tram.
with the wives. Chad, let me give you a tip. Let me give you a tip quickly. If you've been married for a lot of years, there's 2 things your wife don't want to see you do.
Yeah.
When you go out with the boys, you shouldn't enjoy it. You should be hating every minute of it. As soon as they see your enjoyment level goes up, they're going to start phoning you. Like, when are you coming home? You cannot enjoy stuff with the boys, okay? Second thing is when you're at home, very important, activity. You got to be constantly moving. Even if you're just moving from the one side of the kitchen to the other side. You just can't come in and lay on the couch. The activity, motion, as soon as there's no more motion, Chad, you're in for a tough one. Believe me. I'm just walking, I'm taking stuff out, putting stuff back in. Just that motion keeps them calm. As soon as they see you relaxed, you take your shoes off, trouble. Keegs, have you found that as well, my brother? Activity, yes. Laz has also been married. Laz, can you agree with me?
My thing is, bro, purely the sense of, I know we're literally going to Cape Town in December for New Year's and stuff.
We don't want to hear about December. We want to
No,
hear about
I'm saying, and it's a case of, because Caitlin hasn't done it, and we're saying, no, she wants to do the wine tasting.
And if you do it now.
Bro, if I do, I'm chalked, bro.
Yo, did she send you a message now?
Bro. Brandy flavored vape.
That is so South African. Crispy spitting fat. Dude, I've seen it, and I don't know why we fight it. It's like so simple. You don't have to do a lot. Just keep moving. If you are sitting around the corner somewhere and you hear your wife coming up, then you just stand up, you smash some of the pillows, you just like be busy. When she goes around the corner, you can sit again, and just move, dude. Just move. You can never stop moving. Once you stop moving, that's when things it gets tough. Laz will tell you the activity part. For me, you go out, come back, sex has to be had. As for movement, I'm safe. My wife is hyperactive. I can chill at the house. Dude, so my wife, I promise you this weekend, she cannot shut down. I promise you. I don't know why. She's like, I'm just going to relax now. And then she starts cleaning shit. I'm like, please, no, not on a Saturday. Let's, like,
Bro,
no.
I'm going to put money on it. So Saturday, Caitlin's like, we are literally chilling this weekend. It's the first weekend. We have nothing planned. So she's like, you're not doing anything Saturday, okay?
Wait,
so I'm like, cool.
this Saturday?
Yeah. So no, bro. My thing is, I was like, watch. I'm going to wake up Saturday. And she's going to be like, we spring cleaning.
No, but you've got the combine on Saturday.
Oh, yeah.
So you'll be back, and then when she's awake, she'll be like, I've already started it for us.
I'm going to get home, bro. There's that vacuum's going to be going. And
As in repacking your cupboard. That's
You've
not
been
true,
doing
Chris.
Nothing. I got home. I've had to do this. I've had to do the washing. I've had to do this. I've cleaned the bedding. And you're
Nah,
like,
Amina, don't lie. Don't lie. Here's the thing. If you're out with the boys, you cannot enjoy it. It should be pain. It should be tough. You should be like, I don't want to be here with the boys. And then the thing at home, like, yeah, dude, sometimes I am just chalked and I know I should be busy. And I can see it, like you can feel that eye burning you. Like even if you look that way, you feel like a little like a tss, tss, tss. And then you look across and those eyes burn you. And I'm like, yo, what is this? And then I realized activity level way too low. No. Activity needs to be... My wife is the activity wife. If you can just keep busy, keep it moving consistently, then the dagger stays. No, Warren, I know my wife. That's the thing. I've been married for 11 years. I've been with her for almost 15, 16 years. Like I told her the other night, I'm like, it's weird how you think I still don't know you. Like I know you. Like literally, I can tell you, even when I say something, I already know what the response is going to be. That is how you know somebody. It's not even like you... Chris, maar bro, ek swear jy moet stand-up comedy doen. Yeah, if this trading gig is not pulling through, Chad, that could be an option. But yeah, my wife, dude, it's the weirdest thing. It's like she thinks we're strangers. Hoe weet jy wat ek gaan sê? Ek soos liefie. Come on nou. Kom ons gaan nie joke met mekaar nie. It's kind of any jokes. I just sit with my laptop on my lap like, no, dude, Jared, that's the thing. That's where I also get clapped. you always working. Always working. And then I'm like, sure, okay. No.
All right.
I
Well,
think
I
we're
don't know
done.
if
Yeah.
you're gonna be, because I need to wrap up soon.
No, we're full screen.
We are full screen.
We're full screen,
You guys are
bro.
hilarious. Myself and my husband are laughing for the jokes. That's why we love the stream. Hey, at least you
Nah,
benefit in one way.
Keegan still has it easy, my bro. Once that ring is on, my bro.
Bro.
Dude, you in for it. Remember that ring gives them power. So now before the ring, things are beautiful. Once that power ring goes on. Shad.
All right, guys, I think it was a good one today. Going 2 for 2, beautiful trade. But yeah, I think just keeping the momentum going. We got this week, going to be golden. Had a nice laugh chat with the Chad. Obviously, we're going to keep you guys updated with the Cape Town trip. But yeah, this week going good so far. Literally no complaints. Chris, anything to wrap up on your side?
Zandra is saying, Keegs, I'm scaring you from the ring. Yeah. No, I think personally for me this morning, obviously a little bit of a two-way play. Luckily now with a little firecracker, bringing it back to break even, slightly up on the week. Still reduced risk for me, Chad, with the US 30 trade. Swing trades are obviously also reduced, going 1.5. Going forward, I would be risking anywhere between 2 to 3% on the swing trades because we can manage them as well. But yeah, guys, I think let's keep the momentum going. We had a beautiful week last week. Really ended it well. Keegan starting you guys off beautifully yesterday. Today as well. So 2 for 2. Had a nice gold buy in the morning for the guys that weren't a little bit late. You just caught the buy. So yeah, 3 for 3 for the stream guys, for the swing guys, basically 3 out of 4. So still awesome week. Looking forward to the rest of it. Just to stay composed. Please don't get into trouble now. The market, please don't come tomorrow. Like I told you guys, if you just look at it quickly before we go, Keegs. I told you guys very likely we're gonna range and chop and range and. That's exactly what's happening here. So you're not missing anything. Go rest. Come back tomorrow.
There we go. But yeah, guys, I think that's it. As always, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.